Buying a great 4K TV is only half the battle. How you mount it makes all the difference. A bad TV mount can limit your viewing angles, create cable clutter, or worse, put your expensive TV at risk of falling. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best TV wall mounts in 2026. Whether you need a low-profile fixed mount, a full-motion articulating arm, or a heavy-duty option for massive screens, we've got you covered. All product links with current pricing are in the description box below. Let's dive right in. Number 5. Mounting Dream Tilting TV Wall Mount. Starting our list at number 5 is the Mounting Dream MD2268LK, a low-profile tilting TV wall mount designed for TVs from 37 to 90 inches. It supports TVs weighing up to 132 pounds with VISA patterns up to 600 by 400 millimeters. The mount also works with wood studs spaced up to 24 inches apart, making it suitable for many common home installations. Its low-profile design keeps the TV only about 1.5 inches from the wall, creating a clean and space-saving setup. You can also tilt the screen forward up to 8 degrees to improve the viewing angle and help reduce glare. Installation is designed around a simple 3-step process, and a level is included. Just keep in mind that this mount is not intended for drywall-only installation. Pros: supports up to 132 pounds. Fits 37 to 90-inch TVs. Up to 600 by 400 millimeters VISA. 8-degree forward tilt. Low 1.5-inch wall profile. Cons: no full-motion swivel. Not suitable for drywall-only mounting. Concrete anchors may be needed separately. Overall, the Mounting Dream MD2268LK offers strong TV support, a slim design, and useful tilt adjustment, making it our number 5 pick for the best TV wall mounts of 2026. Number 4. PearlGear Full Motion TV Wall Mount. Coming in at number 4 is the PearlGear PGM-F21 Full Motion TV Wall Mount, an articulating mount designed for most flat and curved TVs from 32 to 65 inches. It supports TVs weighing up to 99 pounds and VISA patterns from 100 by 100 millimeters to 400 by 400 millimeters. The alloy steel construction is designed for strength, and the listing says it has been tested through 4 times weight capacity testing and 60,000 movement cycles. For viewing flexibility, the mount tilts 5 degrees up or 15 degrees down, swivels up to 45 degrees in either direction, and extends up to 17.3 inches from the wall. 3 height configurations also help position the screen closer to your preferred viewing level. Installation is simplified with pre-assembled arms, a drilling template, and post-installation leveling of up to 4 degrees. Pros: full motion articulating design. Supports up to 99 pounds. 17.3-inch extension. Plus or minus 45-degree swivel. Tool-free tilt adjustment. Cons: listed compatibility is 32 to 65 inches for this model. 24-inch studs require an additional bracket. Very limited customer review history. Overall, the PearlGear PGM-F21 offers strong adjustability, sturdy construction, and flexible positioning, making it our number 4 pick for the best TV wall mounts of 2026. Number 3. Mounting Dream MD2380-24K and MD2268LK TV Wall Mount Bundle. Taking the number 3 spot is the Mounting Dream MD2380-24K and MD2268LK Bundle, giving you both a full-motion TV mount and a tilting TV mount in one package. The MD2380-24K supports most 26 to 55-inch TVs up to 99 pounds with VISA patterns up to 400 by 400 millimeters. It tilts from 5 degrees up to 15 degrees down and swivels up to 45 degrees in either direction, giving you more control over the viewing angle. The included MD2268LK is designed for most 37 to 70-inch TVs up to 132 pounds, with VISA support up to 600 by 400 millimeters. It provides up to 8 degrees of forward tilt to help reduce glare. Both mounts include labeled hardware and installation instructions, while the listing highlights robot welded construction and strength testing for added durability. Pros: 2 TV mounts included. Full motion and tilt options. Supports TVs up to 132 pounds. Up to 600 by 400 mm Visa support. Installation hardware included. Cons: not designed for drywall-only installation. Full motion mount is limited to 55-inch TVs. Bundle may be unnecessary for a single TV setup. Overall, this mounting dream bundle offers strong compatibility and 2 different mounting options, making it our number 3 pick for the best TV wall mounts of 2026. Number 2. ECHOGEAR MaxMotion TV Wall Mount. Coming in at number 2 is the ECHOGEAR MaxMotion EGLF2, a heavy-duty full-motion TV wall mount designed for large TVs from 42 to 90 inches. It supports TVs weighing up to 125 pounds and uses a universal Visa design that works with many major TV brands, including Samsung, LG, Sony, and Vizio. For flexible viewing, the mount can extend up to 22 inches from the wall and swivel up to 130 degrees. It also provides up to 15 degrees of tilt, helping you reduce glare and find a more comfortable viewing angle. When pushed back, the TV sits about 2.4 inches from the wall for a cleaner look. A drilling template and hardware kit are also included to simplify installation. Pros: supports 42 to 90-inch TVs. Holds up to 125 pounds. Extends up to 22 inches. Up to 130-degree swivel. 15-degree tilt adjustment. Cons: larger mount may be overkill for smaller TVs. Full motion design takes more wall space. Heavier TVs may require extra care during installation. Overall, the ECHOGEAR MaxMotion EGLF2 combines strong support, wide compatibility, and excellent viewing flexibility, making it our number 2 pick for the best TV wall mounts of 2026. Number 1. SANUS VLF728 Full Motion TV Wall Mount. Taking the number 1 spot is the SANUS VLF728, a premium full-motion TV wall mount designed for large 42 to 90-inch TVs weighing up to 125 pounds. Its biggest advantage is flexibility. The mount extends up to 28 inches from the wall, while the fluid motion design allows smooth swiveling and tilting so you can adjust the screen for different seating positions. When pushed back, the TV sits only about 2.15 inches from the wall, giving the setup a cleaner and more low-profile appearance. The heavy-duty alloy steel construction is also designed to securely support larger TVs. Installation follows a simple 3-step process, and SANUS includes the necessary hardware, instructions, and a drilling template to make setup easier. Pros: supports 42 to 90-inch TVs. Holds up to 125 pounds. Extends up to 28 inches. Smooth full motion adjustment. Slim 2.15-inch wall profile. Cons: heavy 38-pound mount. Larger design may be unnecessary for small TVs. Full motion installation requires careful wall mounting. Overall, the SANUS VLF728 combines excellent extension, smooth movement, heavy-duty support, and a slim design, making it our number 1 pick for the best TV wall mounts of 2026.